How can the outcomes of this conference and summit be translated into actionable steps?
Outcome, I mean, the outcome is still yet to come. But uh, let me first start with this that this is a very important conference. I must congratulate Mr. Balram for organizing this important event. And this is the need of the time. And people should understand the importance of bioenergy and biofuels, and it is going to pick up in the coming years. So the outcome is going to be very important, I think. And for example, in the morning session, Lieutenant Colonel Monish Ahuja was saying that the the pallet is going to be much important in the coming future, because today it is being sold at 700 rupees, but if the export market opens up, I think, as he mentioned, that the price can go up to 14-15 rupees also. So this is a kind of future opening for the entrepreneurs to come in this field. So the outcome is going to be very important. The only thing is that in bioenergy you have diverse field of products, right from biogas, first gen ethanol, second gen ethanol, then biopellets, then the power generation, the saps, the green hydrogen. So, you know, the audience, you have to focus it on the particular kind of audience. So probably in the next bioenergy conclave, you can, concentrate on, for example, the ethanol manufacturers. In second conference, you can concentrate on the CBG manufacturers. So this kind of policy can be there in future. Okay.
Coming to next question, how has this summit changed your perspective or approach to bioenergy?
A good question. In fact, I am in bioenergy for a long time. So, but all these product together is a very interesting thing. So, I am also getting knowledge about some new products like pallets and other things. So, this is a very good exposure for people like me who are working in 1G and 2G ethanol and CBG production, but to understand the importance of biomass in other field, this is a good exposure.
And so, next question, like how do you see this conference and summit influencing future investment in bioenergy?
Definitely, the outcome of this project will attract the investors. The A lot of young people will understand the importance of this, and then new investment will definitely come up with this kind of conferences.
Yeah, so sir, any feedback regarding this summit and like how can we can make it better to organize in future?
Feedback is excellent, very good arrangements,
Okay, thank you,
good
sir.
audience, good speakers, very knowledgeable speakers, and but as I said that there are groups of audience. You know, some audience is interested only in pelleting, some audience is interested only in CPG. So if you can have specialized conferences, then more more people will come for that particular kind of.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.